Our reason for selecting Mighty over for another competitor, we have had people come in and offer us better pricing, but again, it comes back to the level of support that you get, the training, the partnership that we were looking for, and that's our selection with Mighty. Along with them coming in, stocking the shelves, providing the orders, it's an all-inclusive program, and I think if you look at the price difference in hiring someone to take care of that, along with the slight increase over an oil filter, it's going to justify itself. The largest benefit for us with Mighty Auto Parts has been the inventory system, and what I mean by the system is their ability to be able to pull registrations or whatever it is within a certain mile radius and make sure that you have enough stock but not too much stock. In addition to that's the stocking program. We don't have to worry about our guys keeping a good clean inventory on the shelves when Mighty comes in and takes care of it. It also helps our managers focus on day-to-day operations and implementing our 4 core values rather than having to deal with inventory, ordering, stocking, things of that nature. With Mighty, the training program has always been free for us, and we appreciate that. When we have a location that's struggling with cabin air filters, it's unfortunately a high turnover industry. When we get new hires in and they need some type of guidance on how to present cabin filters, how to identify which vehicles have cabin filters, that's when we can count on Mighty to come in and help us with that. In our future, we have franchising rolling out in about 2 weeks, and with our belief with Mighty, we've formed a national partnership with Mighty that all of our franchisees will be required to use Mighty. We believe in the Mighty product, we believe in the Mighty system, and feel like that all of our franchisees would benefit from that. So we're excited to do that. Our growth plans are, as far as our franchisees and our corporate partners can take us.